Good morning, students. Today we are going to describe the gross anatomy of the heart. You all know that heart had 4 chambers. So this is right atrium. Right atrium has a puckered or contracted part which is called right auricle. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle, and towards the posterior surface this is the left atrium. The left atrium also has a small puckered part over here. This is called left auricle. What are the borders of the heart? So the right border of the heart is formed by the right atrium. Towards the superior part, right atrium continue is the superior vena cava, and towards the inferior part, right atrium is continuous with the inferior vena cava. Towards the left border, left auricle and left ventricle. The inferior border is mostly formed by the right ventricle. A small part here is formed by the left ventricle. The apex of the heart is predominantly formed by the left ventricle. Now, the heart is lying behind the sternum and the lower ribs and costal cartilage. So this part of the heart, as it is facing the sternum and rib, is also called sternocostal surface of the heart. So in the sternocostal surface, right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle. This part of the heart lies on the inferior surface facing the diaphragm. This is called diaphragmatic surface. The diaphragmatic surface is mainly formed by the left ventricle, partly formed by the right ventricle. Towards the posterior surface, we can see the base or left atrium. So posterior surface or base of the heart is mainly formed by the left atrium, partly formed by the right atrium. So at the end, if we summarize, the heart is actually placed from posterior and to the right to anterior and to the left. So heart always pumps from base towards the apex. So base is here, apex is here. So it placed in such a way that when it pumps, the pumping action goes from posterior and to the right to anterior on to the left, and that is why we find most of the heart is on the left side of the midline. Clinically we call it also precordium.